This collaboration means a lot to me because I've loved Pixi for years now, and I love that the products are easily accessible and there's a ton of shades. The quality of the products are amazing, and you can pretty much find something that works for you, whether you love to wear makeup on a day-to-day or if you like to keep it natural. The inspiration I had behind the product is that I wanted it to be something someone can easily take around. So with this, I wanted to make sure that people can just bring one kit and you're good to go. I love this kit because you have 6 different eyeshadows, so whether you want to wear a very natural look up to a very dramatic look, I have something for you in this kit. And it also has an eyeliner. The eyeliner is a dual-ended eyeliner, so you have the pencil on one end and then you have the felt tip on the other end. I hope that this palette is a reflection of me and you and our community. I love you all so much.